my viewer, welcome to Al Mufti Farm's YouTube channel. It's about the Pomeranian Pouter pigeon again. The Pomeranian Pouter pigeon is a breed of fancy pigeon known for its distinctive appearance and sweet disposition. These pigeons are small to medium-sized and have a plump, rounded body with a prominent puffed-out chest. They are often admired for their charming and gentle personality, making them a popular choice among pigeon enthusiasts. Pomeranian Pouters come in various colors and patterns, adding to their visual appeal. They are not only sweet in appearance but also known for their friendly and docile nature, making them suitable pets for pigeon fanciers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video.